Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Seetu and it would really mean a lot if you would subscribe. And as you have read from the title, today's video is about audiobook recommendations. So without any further ado, let's start. So obviously audiobooks are love. Audiobooks saved me in the pandemic when we did not had a lot of paperbacks with us that we wanted to read, because obviously we don't want to read books that we have. We always want to read books which we don't have, and sometimes you crave for a particular genre, a particular book, a particular author, and in that case audiobooks are really good. And especially for people who suffer from migraine, headaches, ebooks are just not an option. And I really love audiobooks, although some people still prefer ebooks, and respecting everyone's choices, but I think a lot of people struggle with audiobooks because they start with wrong ones, wrong narrators, and that's why I have composed a list of 10 audiobooks which are like super awesome, and the narrators are also super awesome. I use Audible, so all these audiobooks that I am recommended are on the basis of the audiobook narrators of Audible. So these 10 audiobooks, I hope that if you guys listen to them, you're totally going to love them, and the books themselves are very awesome. Starting with the number one book, which is Becoming by Michelle Obama. I think I have recommended this book in the past, but I think listening the book in Michelle Obama's voice is something else. It is out of the world experience and it's so awesome. And if you're starting with audiobooks, I think Becoming is a very nice option because it will keep you engaged. The second book is totally different from the first one. It is Crazy Rich Asians trilogy by Kevin Kwan. So it is a drama book full of all the sass and a lot of quirky stuff, a drama book with a lot of family ties, rich people as the name suggests, and it is a trilogy. So I think it has a lot to do with accents because they are Singapore people, Chinese people, Shanghai people, and the narrator has done it so good with the accents. I just absolutely love it. So yeah, that was my second recommendation for you guys. The fourth book which I want to recommend you guys is Lanka's Princess by Kavita Kane. Now it is also very different from all the other books. It is Indian mythology, and Kavita Kane was one author which I have heard a lot about, but I did not read it for the longest time because I did not had the paperback, and for some reason I just didn't feel like buying paperback of her books, so I just listened to the audiobook from Audible, and oh my god, it is so good. She is underrated, I guess. She is very underrated. So if you're looking for Indian mythology other than Chitra Banerjee, Divakaruni, Amish Tripathi or Devdutt Patnaik, you want something different, then I think Kavita Kane is a very good author to pick up. And the book itself, Lanka's Princess, is super different and super modern. It has a modern twist to it, and the writing style is so gorgeous, and the Audible, the narrator, माशाल्लाह बहुत ही अच्छा बोला है, बहुत ही अच्छी नरेट करी है बुक. सो आई थिंक यू कैन डेफिनेटली पिक दैट बुक अप. इट विल बी ऑसम. इफ यू लिसन टू इट, you will definitely enjoy it. Fifth book is again very different from all the four books. It is 10 minutes and 38 seconds in a Strange World by Elif Shafak. Now after reading the 40 Rules of Love, I was so excited to read another book by Elif Shafak, but I did not have the money because the books are super expensive, and that is also one reason that I prefer audiobooks, because they are super cheap and ethical. So I listened to the audiobook, and this book is, my god, this book is out of this world. This book is like, the kind of book which will blow up your mind. You will be like, okay, I did not expect that. It is that kind of book. So I would just not say anything, and I would just suggest you guys to just listen to the audiobook and find out for yourself. I can't tell you that kitni achhi hai ye. So just go and read it. The sixth book is written by one of my favorite persons in the entire universe. It is Gary Vee. Now obviously we all know Gary Vee, and I like really like him as a person, and that guy kind of motivated me to kind of get started with my own journey on social media. And I think he is a literal god of social media. So if you are someone who wants to read about social media in any format whatsoever, and you want, you know, a non-fiction which is super easy in language, easy peasy lemon squeezy, then I think you can read or listen to Crushing It. I listened to it. It was a fab experience for me. So you guys can also read that book or listen to that book. It will be awesome. The next book is a domestic fiction, if I would say precisely. It is Americana by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, if I pronounce it right. So Americana again is a very awesome book. It is about a black woman, and the story is itself written by a black woman, so authenticity factor, you know, a green tick mark for that. So it is so awesome. The book is legit good, and I think, you know, it narrated the story of how, you know, it also, you know, comes into the category of diaspora fiction. And I know I'm doing a very terrible job at describing this book, but this is what I feel, guys. And I think it is a very underrated book, and if you are like done with not reading all the common books, it is a very nice book to pick up. If you are an avid reader especially, you will like this book. The next book that I want to recommend you guys is, I know I have got the numbering wrong whatsoever, I don't know what the number is. It is Unsuitable Boy by Karan Johar. Now this book also, I know many people will have like different opinions on it, which is totally fine. Everyone can have their own opinions about a book, but I think this book is a very good way of, you know, starting with non-fiction also, because I think it is a very easy book, and Karan Johar has been very authentic in writing the book. I know a lot of people have like different opinions about Karan Johar, which is fine, you can have your opinions, but as a book I really liked it, and you can pick it up. And audiobook bhi bahut achhi hai. Karan Johar has not narrated the audiobook, someone else has, but the narrator is very nice, so I liked it. And the last book which I want to recommend is, I don't know, like I am speaking very quickly, but it is because Sham hone wali hai and lighting chali jayegi, so I have to kind of do it quickly. It is Fangirl by Rainbow Rowell. So Rainbow Rowell ka I read one novel isse pehle, which is Eleanor and Park, which I read it in the ebook format. But then when I heard to this audiobook, it was super awesome and I liked it much more. So Fangirl is a very nice book, especially if you are into young adult, you are definitely going to like it, and I totally love this book. So these were my 10 recommendations. So those were my 10 recommendations, and if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, guys. I am, you know, a little close to 700, so if I need like 5-6 subscribers more for 700, and please help me reach that milestone jaldi se, and I will see you next time with a much more awesome fun video. This time I have my exams going on, so I thought of giving you guys quick audiobook recommendations जो कि कम time में film हो जाए, and yeah, I hope you all like it. And please, as the second wave of COVID is already hitting us, please stay safe, guys, and follow all the precautions and safety measures. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.